Colombia, a country that has been standing out economically in Latin America, began in 2020 a major modernization of the country's energy transmission and distribution system. To that end, Aire, one of the main Colombian electric energy companies, hired WEG, one of the largest electrical equipment manufacturers in the world. The contract signed between the parties is called Compass 3966. This project aimed to revitalize the electricity system on the Caribbean coast, bringing more quality of life to almost 1.4 million customers, consumer units, and more than 4 million inhabitants on the Colombian Caribbean coast, among homes, businesses, industries, and public establishments. The development of the contract was 10 expansion projects already executed, covering 5 cities from 3 different states, and all the substations are already energized. All this work required a significant investment and involved approximately 32 WEG professionals as direct coordinators and field residents. Adding the contractors, it reaches a peak of approximately 300 people. This is the Compass 3966 project conducted on the Caribbean coast, where all the works took place simultaneously with the management of WEG Colombia's Substation Business Center. A comprehensive revitalization with WEG's quality and reliability that the whole world knows. And that is now present in everyday life in Colombia.